So this is the final video of the Thai cooking class. Everybody's sitting down now. You see right there, that's the sticky rice. And that sauce there, the Masamam curry sauce that I made. And you can see the mango right there to the left, right below my hand, right there. So that's the favorite in Thailand, mango and sticky rice. I don't know the history behind that, but that's apparently very common and famous in Thailand, mango and sticky rice. So everybody, we cooked our own meal, you know, except for the sticky rice. I didn't cook the sticky rice. The sticky rice was given to us, but the curry that I cooked came out really great, really tasty, and that's the truth. You see, so here's my dish right there. Everything there, it's all tasty and so forth. So so after this video, there'll be more videos. I believe probably Hanoi. From here, I'll leave for Hanoi the next day, and then yeah, I'll be in the old quarter in Hanoi, and then also there'll be a cooking class there. So that'll be the second part of the culinary tour, cooking in Hoi An. Yeah, so look for me with another set of dishes in Hoi An. The Thai one was more comprehensive, I think, you know. But in Hoi An, you're gonna see the Vietnamese type food. Hopefully, the camera worked then. All right, so I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna leave this with some music playing while people eat.